Hi kindergarten, I'm here to show you how to get on mathgames.com so you can see what lessons I want you to practice on that website. Okay, first go to mathgames.com, no spaces in between the words, and you are going to look at this menu at the top. It has this thing that says grades, and it looks like a staircase. I want you to click on grades. And then once you click on grades, you're going to see this page full of grade levels. All these are down here. And you're going to click on grade 1 right here. It's pink on the right. Once you click on grade 1, you are going to scroll down the page. You're going to look on the left, and down here there's this nice 1/4 sign that says fractions. I want you to practice lesson 1.9, identify fractions of shapes. Looks like this. It says which figure shows halves. And then I want you, after you're finished with that one, I want you to go back and scroll down, find lesson 1.10, equal parts. Because you guys have been practicing equal parts, you know how to do this with halves, and you should know how to do it with quarters. See if I can move up my page. There it is. All right, and this is what the lesson for 1.10 looks like. Okay, so I want you to practice Math Games 1.9 and Math Games 1.10 for your activity today. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, kindergarten.